All right, guys, we are very excited to present to you today 25 ways to fall on your skateboard. Number 1, when you clip, ollieing up a box. Oh, stupid. I got this, it's nothing. Number 2, the crisscross crash. That's the worst, weakest fall I've ever seen.
It's still painful.
That's not painful. You were literally like, oh, ah. Number 3, when the rail has too much wax.
It'd be like that sometimes.
Sometimes it do be like that.
Oh! The butt! How did I do that? Did your butt hit me?
Number 4, when there's a slight bit of water on the ground. I knew that was going to happen. I knew it would hit you. Yes! Number 5, running into your mom.
I was trying to trick.
This is the absolute worst acting I've ever seen. Number 6, when you run into a parked car.
Oh, dang, you're right.
Dude, look what you did to the car! Are you kidding me?
I think he's dead. You good, bro? Where am I?
Number 7, when you hit a rock. This is like a little more than a rock. It's a whole bag of rocks.
25 pounds of rocks.
Ugh. Number 8, when you don't realize you have wax on your wheels. That's true. That was a good rendition. That was wax on the wheel. That's what would happen. That wasn't even acting, people. That was pure skill and knowledge.
Well, that was blunt slides.
Thank you. Number 9, landing primo. Oh. Number 10, when the impact is just too much to take. Oh. That was actually quite a bit of impact. Number 11, getting snaked by a drift trike. Uzi has the best falls, most authentic. Number 12, getting snaked by a scooter. Buzz off, you poser! This is my park, loser! Number 13. Unlucky, getting snaked by a snake. Oh my God! Snake! Ah!
No! No!
Sorry, Uzi.
No!
Where are you going? Snake, I don't know what to do. I got a new board for you. I got a new board. That's like a 7.5. You can't ride that. Number 14. The hippie jump hang up. Number 15. When you faint? Meeting Aaron Cairo? Professional skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area.
Oh my goodness, is that Aaron Cairo?
That's a grade A feint. Number 16. When you fall, but you still land because you somehow landed on your butt. Number 17. When you fall because your shoe falls off. Number 18, when you try to bail but land on a board and then still bail but don't bail because you bailed.
You good, bro?
Number -1. Number 19. When you're not actually gonna hit the Braille drop, but you try to bail before the drop. And that's not good either. All right, give me hype. All right, let's go. No! Number 20, when the throwdown goes wrong.
Oh my god! You good? Oh my god! He was so young.
So young, such a good boy. Number 21, the ghost landing. I can do this all day. Number 22, when you break your neck, saving Fetty's life.
Ah!
Number 23, the Mongo Push Mayhem. That's true. That was legit. That was real. That happened. I think his balls are bleeding. Number 24, when you re-enter orbit.
Oh, that's what I was worried about. Oh, that's what I was worried about.
Number 25. Was that too many fives? When you get hit by a car. This one's really, never do this. Just never. Don't get hit by a car.
Oh my god. Damn, are you good, bro?
Gabe, what the heck, bro?
You didn't see him, Gabe. I mean,
All right, guys, which one was your favorite? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're trying to make some fun videos for you guys, so leave it in the comments below which one was your favorite and what video you would like to see us make next. Check out all the other videos right there. You'll have an absolute blast watching those. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to skateboard. Go to brailleskateboarding.com for everything you need.